guaranteed to impress.
Look at that.
I never thought that Spain could produce such a beautiful ingredients.
Hola. ¿Qué tal?
One clown in the kitchen is more than enough. So Fred is out in the restaurant doing what he does best, front of house.
This way.
How many we need to do?
40, 50 portions.
40, 50 portions?
Yeah.
In 20 minutes?
Yeah.
A lunchtime service may be short, but it's intense. Gino and I are getting as much mise en place done before the coming storm.
Listen,
Yeah.
that's the secret when you know the bread is good.
Sounds like the top of one of your frozen lasagnas.
All that remains to be seen is who sells the most.
So what would you like? Would you like Gordon's tortilla or Gino's pan con tomate?
Chefs, are you ready? Checking.
Wait.
Yep.
3 toast. Away.
No tortilla?
No tortilla.
People like my toast, people like my toast.
It's a flying start for Gino. Though why people are ordering a dollop of dolmio on bread from a bandana-wearing bandit
Chef, checking.
Yes.
4 toast.
is beyond me.
No tortilla.
No
still.
tortilla.
No tortilla.
So dos tortilla and un pan con tomate.
Checking, guys. 2 tortilla and 1 toast.
Okay, good. Thank you. We're off to the races.
Hurry up, guys.
How many would you like?
4.
4 tortilla? Okay, coming up.
Checking, guys.
Yes.
4 tortilla.
See, 4.
4 them.
No tomato. I love that.
We need only 1 toast, please.
You okay there with your tomatoes on toast?
Don't worry about my tomato and toast. I'm kicking your ass so far.
Waiting on 1 toast.
Signorita! La tortilla di Gordon!
What about the bread?
It's halfway through the service, and Gino's dream of beating me is going up in flames.
Your bread!
Shit.
Jesus Christ!
It's because you talk to me and you distract me.
Jesus Christ almighty! The fuck are you doing? If I...
This is called This is called caramelizing.
Tout va bien? Fantastic.
How many more breads?
After Gino overstretched himself making a few slices of toast, we're entering the final straight.
Chef, the tortillas are flying out now, right?
And the true style quality is starting to show.
Yes.
So how many toasts, one, please, in total?
10 total, please.
10.
10 of them. Service.
I think I'm in the shit.
You are.
With service almost over, and in the face of an unbeatable opponent, Gino is in a last-minute panic to claw back his shattered reputation.
It's only tomatoes on toast. Come on, Gino, please.
Wait, I'm doing it. I got 10 of them to do, Gordon, so please be patient.
Last order, please.
Sorry for the wait on the tomato.
Don't give him the burn one.
Beautiful.
Excellent.
Pleasure. Thank you.
Ready, chef?
All the pan con tomato.
Thank
via.
you, chef. Nice job, guys.
Whew. Slow start, but a strong finish.
Yeah, strong finish.
Really
Yeah.
strong. Thank you. Great to be back in the kitchen. And there's always something quite unique with Gino, in and out, that competitive edge. Dig in.
Cheers.
Between you and I, he does think he looks like Antonio Banderas. I mean, really, Gino? Seriously? Antonio Banderas' granddad.
Service over, it was time to tally who sold the most.
Gordon? Gino?
Yeah.
Fantastic feedback.
How
We've
did you go?
got the results. 1-0 has got them. Let's find out who sold the most.
Sure, okay.
Okay, so tortilla
Yes.
sold 25.
Okay, it's great.
Well, that's a big number.
Pan con tomate,
Pan con tomato.
28.
Yes!
Come here.